I'm Dave from Dave's Corner of the World on YouTube or davescorneroftheworld.com. If you are interested in building an off-grid solar array, then this spreadsheet was designed specifically for you.
Hi, welcome to Dave's Corner of the World. Have a great day.
There's several different pages in this spreadsheet. First thing you really need to do, today I'm just going to show you this one page, and then we'll do another video at a later date. The power audit is the first thing you need to do. You need to figure out how much power you really need to use, both in AC and DC. That's the first thing. That's these two pages down here, but like I say, I'll get into those in another video. How much PV and battery bank do you need? There again, that's another page. Cost of your application, input watts and voltage, and it'll tell you how much that piece of equipment will cost per month. For instance, I have a tower computer. It takes approximately 100 watts of power per hour to operate it. If I leave this on 24 hours a day for 1 month at 14 cents a kilowatt hour, it costs $10 a month. This will show that, but there again, we'll do that in another one. How many hours will your battery bank last if you put a particular load on it? However many amp hours your batteries will work before they're discharged. And remember, you can only discharge lead acid batteries half of their capacity. Links I use almost every day. And then I've also got a what's new page right down here. I'll just flip through these real quick to give you an idea kind of what they look like. This one's the 110 audit. This is a 12 volt audit, and they add up both pages right here. This is the PV battery size page, cost of your application, battery bank, how long will it last, web pages I use almost on a daily basis, and what's new. As you can see, I started this spreadsheet 12/17 of 14. So I think I'm going to stop this video at this point, because that's what I wanted to show you, is this front page.
See you next time.